And then, ma'am,
Yes.
opo, ibabasahin na po namin, ma'am, yung order na naka-address naman po sa ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, tig-isa po ulit
Just a
tayo.
moment, just a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need my lawyers to be present?
Hindi naman po, ma'am. Hindi naman
No,
po.
I really
This
like
time.
my lawyers to be present, ma'am.
Opo. Ma'am, hindi po muna ngayon. Kasi, ma'am.
Are you
doon po.
transferring me now?
Yes po, ma'am.
No, I really want my lawyers to be present.
Attorney, ang order ng committee ng House is
Yes.
to transfer you immediately.
I understand
Yes,
that,
yes.
but I really like my lawyers to be present.
Can we arrange that while on transit?
No, I really like my lawyers to be present.
Kasi
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero, ma'am, let
Can we
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because
No,
we are
I need my
under...
lawyers to be present, ma'am. Please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not
I
here
am-
po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
Ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
we need to
understand.
also...
kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema,
Yes, yes.
sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
Before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need
Because
my
ba-
lawyers. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay,
anywhere. Just
opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now.
Yan.
I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo na sa...
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Oh, it's okay. Please just go out. Leave the room now.
For the years 2022.
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order.
Ako
Opo.
ng order, nabasa na po yan. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi, this is a detention center.
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
House of
Yes, ma'am. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
For contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo.
So,
Ma'am, let
lalo
us,
yun,
ma'am,
clear
let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's, yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it?
Can you just give us a copy? and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we'll review it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, for the years 2022, 2023,